Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. There's my cat there. Uh, yeah, I'm back with a new video. I haven't uploaded for a while, so I thought I'd just try something out that I've wanted to be trying out for a while. So what I have here is a product called WD40. So apparently this stuff is going to clean a headlight on a car. So if your headlights are kind of like, foggy and yellow, as you're about to see on my car, apparently this stuff is going to clean it. So I'm going to try it out and see if it works. I don't know. I've seen a lot of videos claiming that it works, but we'll have a go and I'll try it out. There you have it. It worked. Well, I think it worked. Came out okay. It didn't really, I wouldn't say 100%. I'd say probably about 90. But it's good enough. I think like depends on how bad your actual headlight is, how bad they are, and what kind of condition they are. I'm surprised. Actually, no, I'm not surprised because I would have thought it worked because it's kind of worked for other people. So, but having said all that, yeah, thanks for stopping by and checking out the video because I haven't uploaded for, I can't remember, maybe 2-3 months since all this pandemic stuff started out. So I'm gonna try and upload some more stuff, and then in the meantime, stay safe and have a good one. Ciao.